What's up guys, it's Kirsten here, and today we are doing a den decorating challenge. Today we're doing it with fuzzpop399 and bigflowers. And me. So yeah. First we're starting off in the small house, and I'll show you. Everybody has their small house cleared. She has their small house cleared. And I'm gonna go into my playlist. There we go. And she has her small house cleared, and I will show you all of them at the end.
Yeah.
So we're going to go ahead and skip through the decorating and then show you at the end. And
So we're gonna explain the rules first, because we always do that, and we never ever forget to do that, right?
Yeah.
All right. So rules are: you're allowed to go in the shop. No looking at other people's screens while they're doing it.
Wait, I thought we were allowed to do that.
I can't.
I thought we were allowed to do that.
I don't really care. Okay, no rules. Just decorate.
Yeah. Okay, let's do this.
So this is my. Okay, stop. You can't start yet. We have to Okay, hi guys.
Yeah, it's bigflowers den.
We're back, and we're at bigflowers den first. I'm going second, and Kirsten's going last if she wants to. So bigflowers, give us a tour of your den.
So, this is my pretty little fountain.
It's not a fountain.
It does look really pretty, actually. I like it. I don't know if I have
It's a
one.
playette.
Oh, you have plushie machines. That's nice.
I want to play one.
Claw machine.
And some trees.
Yeah. And then over here,
A welcome mat!
I have a welcome mat.
I got one.
You're not supposed to be playing! Kirsten!
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay.
Welcome mat.
Welcome mat. Yeah, welcome.
And then there's flowers.
Flowers. Yeah.
Flowers.
And then door.
And then you can open the door.
You can open the door.
You
You
can't
can't open the
open it.
door.
It's just there.
I thought you
Wait, how'd you get this masterpiece? Oh yeah, I traded it to you.
Oh, I drew this.
Yeah, I know you drew that, Kirsten. I had it, and then I must
Then
have
I
traded
have an
it to
owl
Big
flying
Flowers.
in snow.
Oh, I like this bed.
Oh, I like the owl. That's creative. It's like
Yeah.
flying in the snow. The snowy owl.
I'm gonna sleep on the bed.
Well, I want to make a smoothie.
Can I make a smoothie?
I just put that in there for
I'm making a
for you to have.
smoothie.
I'm gonna make a strawberry smoothie.
That's what I was doing.
I like strawberries.
I like strawberries too. I like watermelon.
Strawberry.
I like
We're just gonna go
Okay,
ahead
we're
and
gonna
get
waste
to
time.
it.
I'm not doing this. We're
I already
wasting
won.
time, Kirsten.
We're gonna,
Okay.
just gonna go
Okay,
ahead.
so we're done.
Okay, so we're going
No, I'm not done. I'm not done.
Okay.
We see the pets on the pillows. We have to hurry up because we only have a little
Yeah, I'm gonna go
amount of.
Okay.
to fuzzpop.
Okay, come on.
Alright,
Fuzzpop
we're
den.
finished with
Okay, so there's
big
a,
flowers.
I put lots of pets and then
Everyone, okay, pause the video. Okay, guys, we're here at
Yeah.
my den. fuzzpop399. So I will start with this. I got some rose bushes in the front as a pathway. I have some cherry trees all around. I love cherry trees.
Gazebo.
Yeah, and a gazebo. I also have this nice table.
Chocolate apple.
Yeah, and a fire pit. Just a random fire pit.
Yeah.
And I have tulips all around too.
I like tulips.
And I also have these two
Plants.
plants. Yeah. I don't know if
Okay, let's go inside.
I have people sitting in the chairs.
so it's like a
this is like
restaurant
yeah, sort of. This is like the waiting area.
and this is
There's a beautiful masterpiece
this is
of
the
a
kitchen.
bunny.
Yeah.
There's just some. Sorry about that noise. That's just weird stuff.
Yeah.
So I have coffee,
This is the kitchen.
Okay, can it be my turn now?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's your turn.
Okay, everybody to my den.
Pause.
Okay, guys, so we just ate pizza.
Yeah, we're back. We just ate pizza for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Pretty much
So
all
today-
of us got logged off.
Yeah,
We had to
and
log
so now we are doing my den. So I will be saying stuff.
Yeah.
Over here, I have this flower
You better
thing.
hurry. Because you have.
because
You're gonna overpack. She packed her den up with a limit.
I have this flower thing. I have this cherry tree. I like it a lot. I have a gazebo over here. I have a lot of tulips over here. A doggy bone because I
Why is there a tulip on this bed?
Oh,
Tulips don't grow.
too bad. I have a lot of tulips. Bench, pond, duck pond. These flowers, these dumped flower bin things. This sprinkler.
This thing's huge.
I have this tree, and then I have
Swimming.
my gigantic pond.
Yeah, hurry up. Let's go
Okay.
inside.
I have the welcome mat, the archway thing with the flower and the tree,
And
yeah,
look at this thing. I like the.
my nature waterfall.
Ooh, this is pretty.
I like this ball.
I have this couch, and then I have the best masterpiece ever.
Yes. Yes.
And then I have this jewelry box.
And an orb.
I got the orb. I put it on red most of the time. I have these bongo drums. I have this mat, which is
I
rainbow,
love the bed.
and this is my bed.
What? You put that whole thing on the.
It takes about like maybe 8 or 10 items to make this bed. That's 4 things.
One,
Four,
two,
four.
3, 4, 5,
10. It takes 10 items. I already counted. And I have these little things right here. These little heart things. Yeah. And I have these seats where you can stand next to the fire. And then I have bamboo. And
Yes.
that's my den.
We're
So-
done.
Yeah, so make sure you comment down below who won. And
First round. You have to call
Yeah.
it first round after the review.
yeah.
So
Let's go on to the second
cut.
round. Okay,
We're
guys.
hopping around.
Yeah, okay. So the next one we're going to do is the Enchanted Hollow. It's underground bunny den, I'm guessing.
Yeah, like a bunny.
Crystal.
Oh, I like the floors in this.
Yeah, I do
And the
too.
wallpaper.
I don't really like the wallpaper, but I like the floor. So we're going to go ahead and do this then, and we're going to decorate
Go
it.
into my den.
Okay, so we'll be right back once we're done decorating. Hey guys, I'm sorry for any background noise. It's raining.
Yeah, it's totally pouring.
Yeah,
Where
it's
we
pouring.
live because we live in Florida and it's
Thunder.
and it just rains a lot because we're in Florida.
Yeah, and it's really hot, so it rains a lot because it's hot most of the day.
It rains a lot because it's
Okay.
hot.
So we're in Big Flowers den, so we're gonna go ahead and take a tour.
Crazy.
I love this heart thing. Okay, so she has
I
this
do.
heart topiary, I think it's called.
Topiary. Ooh, fireworks!
I
thing I noticed.
Party. I bought those.
I didn't notice any
First
fireworks.
thing I noticed.
I bought them
Oh.
at the party.
Funny. Okay, let's go down.
Ow!
Oh, I like this little area. She used the same welcome mat. She used the same claws. I like her mannequin. Oh, the bunny and 2 bunnies running the place.
We really need to hurry up if we want to get the last minute.
Yeah,
Should we do like a part 2 for the last minute? Or should we just like,
we can do a part 2.
yeah, we could. So this is going to be the last one we're doing, guys. So
Yeah,
let's
until
just
part 2.
move it on.
So,
We're
yeah.
gonna do
Okay,
Stay
so
tuned for part 2.
now Flex Pop's den. We gotta hurry up because we're at 8 minutes.
Oh, okay. To my den.
Okay,
Alright, I'm giving you a tour. I have some
gotta
bamboo.
hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up,
bamboo.
hurry up.
I have carrots, some roasted things, and a tree.
I went inside already.
Alright.
Ooh, claws. I can't
I
play
have
any.
lots of claws. I have 2 balloons.
Donuts.
Oh, yummy donuts.
Okay.
Donuts.
Oh wait, is this the king?
Yeah, that's the king.
Okay, he has
The guy with the horns. These guys are all the people.
the army
Yeah, they're the army. I got more balloons, cookie table, a
and
tea set,
people.
another bunny claw, so this is a bunny den, and lots of people. Alright, we're done to Kirsten 80s den.
But I want to get.
Okay, so this is like I'm just gonna wait for you guys.
Wait,
Come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
I'm coming, I'm here.
Okay. So this is like the entry. I have like these 2 trees. I like these trees. I have this wheelbarrow full of flowers. A lot of tulips.
So-
I have some bamboo over here if you can't tell.
Do you think
And a
part
fountain.
2, do you think part 2 will be uploaded tomorrow or like today?
I don't know, but probably tomorrow.
Do you think this will be uploaded today?
Yes.
I think it's like July 3rd. Isn't it July 3rd?
Yes, tomorrow's July.
You went with the same
July.
thing, but except
Yeah,
you got tinier chairs.
Yeah, I got
This
these
is
chairs,
cool. I
and these
love it.
are
What?
Hurry.
Why does everyone have
This is like my little.
Shut up!
Different animals running the place is super funny.
So
I
cute.
know.
I like that. Let's go down here. I heard that you had like a king. Oh, that's a weird mannequin. I wonder who murdered the mannequin. Oh, here's the king and the queen.
The ball.
And then here's their little minions. These are their favorites.
The minions.
Yeah, these little minions are their favorites.
Oh, look, there's a
There's a
They're-
tiny one. There's a tiny one. This is
There's a
his
couch.
mom.
There's a
And
nice
this is
couch.
mom. And this is mom.
I don't know.
Sure, I don't
whatever.
care.
Alright,
This is the best mannequin. Wait,
We'll
no,
pretty
this
much,
one.
we'll
This
see you
one.
guys next time because we're pretty much done.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see you guys next time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.